What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with yet another hair review. This video is sponsored by Ohmyprettyhair, so shout out to them for sending over this bomb Vegas vacation hair, because yes, that is exactly what it was. I'm gonna be showing y'all all the details on how I installed it coming up. Huge shout out to Ohmyprettyhair once again for sponsoring today's video. I'm just showing y'all the construction of the unit. I did bring this on my trip to Vegas, like I told y'all, so this was my vacation hair and it was perfect. I did want some type of like beachy curly vibe, but I didn't want it too thick because child, Vegas, it was hot. Okay, the heat was heating. But shout out to them. This was, I believe, 180% density, so it wasn't too thick, but it still gave me that full look, especially when I wet it and it dried. So I believe I did about 4 layers of glue. Y'all seen the glue that I use. I went ahead and put the same makeup that I always use inside of my lace, and like I said, this is a 4x4 closure unit. It is HD lace, y'all. It was just kind of lighter than my complexion, so y'all gonna see me kind of conceal it with more makeup as we go on with the install. But right now I'm just doing dots of glue. I'm trying to do the layers as thin as I can and just smooth them out, let them dry in between. That's my girl Trinity. Shout out to her because we was there in Vegas for her 21st birthday and we had so much fun. Make sure y'all go check out the vlog. I know this is a hair video, but I just had the little shameless self promo for a second. So yeah, if y'all want to see more of the hair, you know, in action over the course of 5 days, because that's how long I was there, make sure you watch that video as well. But back to the video, because this is sponsored by Ohmyprettyhair, like I said. I'm just doing my layers of glue, letting them dry in between. I love closure units, y'all. They're so easy, so super simple, and beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner at wigs, this is just a perfect starter wig. On top of that, I was on vacation and didn't do my hair before I left because I decided to pack last minute, so I was able to get in Vegas and just hurry up and install my hair. It didn't take all day and it came out bomb. So I'm just laying the lace down. I'm going ahead and use my rat tail comb to push that lace in, and I'm also going to be doing some more blow drying just to make sure that the glue is fully dry before I put the band on, to just further melt it. But yeah, y'all have saw me install I don't know how many wigs on my channel now, so y'all probably get the gist. I mean, if you're new, hey girl, hey, I have so many of these types of videos on my channel. I'm spraying some got to be glue hairspray on top, blow drying that just a little bit before I get ready to put the band on. We gonna let that melt and simmer in. I'm going ahead and just detangling the hair. I decided to just fully brush it out. I will be defining the curls later on with water and foaming lotion, but before that I'm just using my Care wax stick. This is my ride or die. She been rocking with me for a minute now. The stick is about $20, but I promise it's worth it. I've had it for like over 2 years most likely. You don't need much, a lot goes a long way. And yeah, so I'm just using that with my handy dandy hot comb, another OG. You need one of these to slay your wig, so I'm just using that on like the highest temperature most likely. I think it was like on 400 and something. And I'm also going to be using a razor to cut this lace off before I then go ahead and melt it again. So yeah, y'all just see me, I like to cut it down the middle and then just cut each side off in like a ragged motion. You know, the razor helps you do that, so that's what I'm using. And as y'all can see, I have kind of like a white cast going on because the lace was a little bit lighter than me. On top of that, I over bleached these knots. But it's okay because it's nothing some makeup can't fix. So y'all see me just making the part straighter. Sometimes I think I'm getting a straight part in the beginning, and then I get further into the install and I realize it's not straight. So I did want a straight part, so I'm going ahead fixing that. I'm also using my girl palette right here for the shade in the palette to just darken that lace up right there and make it blend in with my skin tone a little bit more. And now I'm taking out the edges. Every time I do a closure wig, y'all, I do the same exact edges. I do one on each side, and just gives it the illusion of a frontal in a sense. So yes, y'all have seen me part the hairs out. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb just to flatten them down before I get ready to lay them. So y'all just kind of see me doing that. I'm going in with a little bit more of that spray. That spray really helps like melt and set the lace in, especially when you go in after that with the band. Girl, bye. Flawless install. It's giving very much lay, very much melted into the skin, very much coming out the scalp. So now I'm going ahead and using my little manicure scissors just to cut those baby hairs, going in with the hot comb once again. I was just giving that some time. While I'm letting that kind of set and simmer in, I'm gonna go ahead and use some water. Y'all, I forgot to bring a spray bottle. I literally had a small mini empty travel size one, and I left it at home. So this whole trip, child, I was just going in the old fashioned way and putting the water in my hands from the sink and just making it do what it do. Water is water. Of course, the spray bottle is just way more efficient in getting the water dispersed throughout your hair. But yeah, like I said, that's the way I had to do, make it do what it do. And I'm also taking a little bit of the hotel conditioner to just soften the hair, make the curls pop. And then I'm gonna go in with that lot of body foam and lotion to really set the curls in, scrunch them up, and y'all gonna see what it's giving. Your girl went ahead and beat her face. I'm gonna finish these edges first, but I'm gonna beat my face, and the look is just gonna come together. I think this is the perfect vacation hair. Even if you was going to like a, I feel like I went to a pretty tropical location, but if you was going like traveling international with it, going to Mexico, Tulum, something like that, this hair just give me vacation vibes all around. So yeah, I loved it for that. It wasn't too dense, it wasn't skimpy or anything. It was just a perfect density, and everything just worked out perfectly. And it didn't take me all day, which I loved. Like, I got this slay done, I don't know, maybe like 25-ish minutes. I was taking my time. But y'all just see me using a little bit of foam and lotion, and it's really all in a flick of the wrist in a sense. You just kind of got to swoop them. I like to do them like kind of in a C shape to just give it that extra, and it was kind of long, so that extra dramatic baby hair look. I think it turned out really cute. But I'm just going in with a little bit more. I had to pull some more hair out to make them fuller. Y'all, we was jamming. Me and Trinity was jamming while we was doing our hair and makeup. It was a good time. We're trying to stop for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always. Get your passport up. It's looking like a arm sleeve. All me. I need my eyebrows did. Just to assume we're meant to be together. You gotta live that for real. You can't just say whatever. If it was ride or die, then you should have been dead right now. So I don't get why you're yelling at me. Like I said, y'all, absolutely jamming. So as y'all can see, I was finishing up my makeup. I'm just showing y'all some clips that are going to be in the vlog. Make sure y'all go watch it. I'm taking that band off after it's been melting and setting everything together. And y'all, this was the finished look. I was just kind of fluffing the hair out a little bit. There go my girl Trinity looking like a bad. Yes, ma'am. She looked too good. But yeah, so y'all, this is the finished look after I beat the face, and everything just came together. I'm just going in with some finishing touches. I'm going ahead with some tweezers, which praise God that these were on a trip. I don't know how they got there, but they were there. And this is the finished look, y'all. So make sure y'all check out Ohmyprettyhair. I will have all the links in the description box for y'all. I did define that hair in the front. Y'all just didn't see it. I actually planned to come back when I was all dressed, but that didn't happen. But just go check out the vlog, y'all. Shout out to Ohmyprettyhair for sponsoring this video. And thank y'all if y'all watched to the end. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.